Nichiren warned, empty chanting is dangerous. Are you doing it? You chant every day, but nothing changes. Your mirror of life stays cloudy. Your struggles don't move. Be aware, because this is a hidden trap. Today, you'll learn the number one reason chanting Namu-myoho Renge Kyo feels powerless and how to free its real strength. Think about it. You chant, yet your heart feels restless. You pray, but the same problems return. Many people fall into this silent trap, empty chanting. Nichiren called it polishing a mirror with dust. No matter how long you rub, the reflection never shines. Why? Because the words come out, but the conviction is missing. Doubt creeps in. You wait for miracles instead of awakening your own strength. And the more you chant mechanically, the more powerless it feels. This is the danger. Your practice looks alive, but inside, it is asleep. So, how do you break free? Nichiren gave the answer. Chanting must be alive with faith. It is not about repeating a phrase like a spell. It is about declaring, "This law is my life." Imagine a seed. If you drop it on stone, nothing grows. But in soil, with water and light, it blooms. Chanting with belief is that soil. When you say Namu-myoho Renge Kyo with the conviction that Buddhahood already lives within you, every sound waters the seed of awakening. Even your struggles, fear, doubt, loss, become nourishment. Each daimoku transforms them into roots of wisdom and courage. This is why faith is the difference between empty sound and unstoppable life force. Nichiren himself proved this with his life. At Tatsunokuchi, he stood before the executioner's sword. In that instant, he chanted Namu-myoho Renge Kyo not as words, but as his very life. The blade shattered. His execution failed. This was no magic trick. It was the living power of conviction. And the same law works today. Think of your own mirror. When polished with faith, it reflects courage you didn't know you had. Modern science even shows that chanting reshapes the brain, lowering stress and building resilience. Faith turns sound into transformation. It turns chanting into proof. The inner circle is also proof that we have a strong and special community. Click the join button or click the link in the pinned comment to join this something special. So remember, empty chanting is the trap, but chanting with conviction awakens your Buddhahood. Don't let your practice be hollow. If this opened your eyes, keep going. Watch what science says happens to your brain when you chant Namu-myoho Renge Kyo next and strengthen your faith with proof. Chant alive and transform your life today.